When a 3D reference is used inside some function, that technique is called 3D sum. A video explaining 3D sum in detail is available in this channel. In this session, we will discuss more functions which are compatible with 3D references, and we will start with max function. Here in these 12 worksheets, we have some random values. Data in every sheet follow the same pattern, that is, it starts from the cell B2 and extends up to the cell K11. For finding out the largest value in these 12 sheets, starting from January to December, I will make use of a 3D reference inside max function. Equal max function. Max function is used to return the largest value in a selected range or multiple data ranges. January, full colon, December, exclamation mark, B2, full colon, K11. January, full colon, December, exclamation mark, B2, full colon, K11 is a 3D reference which refers to the range B2 to K11 of the worksheets January, December, and all those worksheets in between them. Close the bracket and press enter. The function returned the value 450. That means 450 is the largest value among the data present in these 12 sheets. And when I change the value in any of these sheets, maybe in the sheet called March, I will use the value 650, which is greater than 450. And here the formula returned the value 650. Once again, with a different sheet, October, I will use the value 800, which is greater than 650. In the same manner, we can find out the smallest value among the data present in these sheets. I will copy this formula. We'll paste it here. We'll replace max function with min function. The formula returned the value 50. And when I replace a value in any of these sheets with a value smaller than 50, maybe 41, the formula will return that value. 3D reference is compatible with average function too. Suppose I want the average of values present in these 5 sheets starting from March to July. Equal average function March, full colon, July, exclamation mark, B2, full colon, K11, close the bracket and press enter. And we have the average of values present in all those 5 sheets starting from March to July. When 3D references are named, it will be more convenient to use them inside functions. So let's see how to name a 3D reference. Go to Formulas tab. Click on Define Name. In the input box against name, we have to specify the name of the 3D reference. I will use the name Sales Data. Now we have to select the data range to be referred. Click on this up arrow to make the selection. Select the first sheet, that is the sheet for January, then the data range. I will select the data range containing values, that is the range of cells from B2 to K11. Holding the shift key, select the last sheet to be referred, that is the sheet for December. When I click OK, I will have a named range called Sales Data, which refers to the data range B2 to K11 of 12 sheets starting from January up to December. And this named range can be used within functions which are compatible with 3D references. Click OK. For finding out the largest value in the sheets from January to December, equal max function. When I type in the letter S, The named range sales data appears in the list of suggestions. Select the named range sales data, and our formula is now max function with sales data inside the function. Close the bracket and press enter. The function returned the largest of all values present in the total sheets starting from January to December. For smallest value, equal min function, the named range sales data inside the function. To check whether the formulas are working fine, I will add two new values to this sheet called July. First value will be 860, which is greater than 800. And second value will be 35, which is smaller than the value 41. Once again, to return the grand total of all these values present in these total sheets, equal some function, the named range sales data inside the function. I hope you will find this video useful. For feedback and discussion, please make use of the comment section. And those who are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.